think the question that a lot of people have when they ask us about our financial independence journey, about whether or not they can achieve financial independence and retire early, is do you need to make a whole lot of money in order to do this? Do you need to have a six-figure salary? And the truth is going to surprise you. Hey guys, Zaman
and Christina
from Our Rich Journey.
So if you think a six-figure job is your ticket to financial independence, you have to think again, readjust your thinking, because it's not just about the paycheck. In fact, focusing only on a higher paying job could actually be keeping you stuck. Let's unpack this a bit more.
So let's answer this obvious question. Or maybe it's not so obvious, but why are high-paying jobs so appealing? Why do so many people feel like the high-paying job is the key to financial independence? Well, there are a lot of things. For one, they are tied to success, security, and status. And a lot of people think that a high-paying job will solve all of their financial problems.
So that's why so many people equate a high-paying job to financial independence. High salaries pay the bills, they fund vacations, they buy the latest gadgets. But here's the problem. Most people who earn a lot also tend to spend a lot.
You see, that's the trap of lifestyle inflation. As your paycheck grows, so do your expenses. Bigger houses, nicer cars, fancier things. And before you know it, you're stuck in a cycle of working harder just to maintain your inflated lifestyle.
So here's the hard truth. A high-paying job does not automatically equate to financial independence. So in fact, it often comes with more stress, more hours, and less time for things that really matter. So think about it. Many high-paying jobs require long hours, constant availability, and high pressure. You might have more money, but you'll definitely have less freedom with this type of lifestyle.
I mean, we all know these people that are very successful, but also very busy, very not available, not present. These people are always on their phones, traveling for business. They are rarely there for those special moments and occasions, but they must continue to maintain this work without the life balance so that they can maintain all of these things.
So that type of lifestyle is actually the very opposite of financial independence. And the thing that people don't really realize is that financial independence isn't about the size of your paycheck. It's about the gap between your income and your expenses. It's really about how much money you keep and how you use it. So the key is that when you live below your means and you invest the difference, then you create wealth that works for you. That is what financial independence is all about. When your money earns more than you spend and you are no longer tied to a job.
And when you are not tied to a job, you don't have that stress, you don't have that anxiety, and you don't have that feeling that you need that job, and so you are stuck to it. So let's talk more about a high-paying job versus financial independence. So does a high-paying job help? Sure, it helps. It can give you a head start, but the key is what you do with that money. Are you saving? Are you investing? Or are you spending it all?
So even though a six-figure salary can help, it's definitely not required. Plenty of people with average incomes have built wealth by managing their money wisely.
So the secret isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and grow. Christina and I are prime examples of this. Our entire financial independence journey, we did not make a lot of money. In fact, there were certain points when only one of us was working, but we still managed to invest wisely and save wisely because we had a plan and we had some strategies. And you know what? Let's share some of those strategies with you guys right now.
And these strategies do not require you to have a six-figure job. So the first thing that you really want to focus on is living below your means. Like we said, when you have a lot of money, it can come with lifestyle inflation. You start spending that money, not saving and investing. So focus on your budget and don't get trapped with lifestyle inflation.
The next thing is to invest early and invest consistently. Put your money to work through index funds, real estate, or other investments. You can't achieve financial independence by simply saving your way to financial independence. You must invest, and your investments will compound through interest, dividends, and capital gains.
Next is focus on building multiple streams of income. Too many people just rely on their 9-to-5 job. There are so many other forms of income that you can create through passive side hustles or even active side hustles. That gives you diversification with your income, allowing you to get more income from different sources to grow and invest your money even faster.
And lastly, track your progress. You can be encouraged by this. Knowing where you've come from to where you're at now is certainly something that will help you on this journey. Now, these steps work no matter how much you earn. The goal is to use your income as a tool to buy back your time and to build lasting wealth. And so whether or not you make a six-figure salary or you make a more modest salary, our point is don't rely completely on your salary to get you to financial independence.
And this is because economic downturns, layoffs, or even health issues can take that paycheck away in an instant. That is why focusing on financial independence is so important. Again, it doesn't matter how much money you make, it matters what you do with the money that you make. So if you're feeling encouraged about this video, we hope that you take this information and you really develop a plan for your financial independence and retiring early. And of course, if you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.